to add a little bit of authenticity to this, I got some naan bread. Move him to one side for a moment. See, got some naan bread, which I happen to have in the cupboard. This will help me mop up the juice. And to be somewhat civilised, I'm going to open this with a pair of scissors instead of tearing it. And I'm going to pour it into the takeaway container so we can all see what's going on and hopefully make very little mess. Well, it's pretty. Tell you what, I've got to admit, the smells that are here that emanated from the microwave are phenomenal. Really nice. Need my fighting irons. So get rid of the scissors now. Don't need them. So you can see the oils. As you can see, it's pieces of chicken. There's one piece, nice chunky pieces. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and the sauce, the butter chicken sauce, smells yummo. Nice. Ooh, it's not that spicy. Let's try it with a bit of naan bread. This also comes from Coles. This is the one I got. Can't remember what I paid for it, but I think it's about $3.50. And you can get comes with in this case came with three naan breads. And it's raining outside. Not bad. That's nice. A little bit of tang. You can see some oils on the spoon. Just there.